your bags right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies?
Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Come on.
You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt.
On March 23, 2023, a flight at the Miami International Airport terminal as all passengers were boarding. And the flight was heading to Philadelphia. An argument started between one passenger and another passenger. The incident involved a woman who got into a heated argument with another passenger after her $5,000 designer Louis Vuitton bag was accidentally scratched.
They don't want to get off. They don't want to get off.
Hold on, y'all were here this whole time and y'all didn't. How about y'all grab my bag? Y'all just here to do something. You're so beautiful. Guys, I don't know why she got kicked off. That's just my friend, so I'm going with her.
I'm a retired Army veteran. I know how to conduct myself. I know how to conduct myself.
Put your bags in the front.
In a proper
Take off your purse. Take off your purse.
Why?
Take off your purse, okay?
Why?
You guys are gonna go to jail. Take off your purse.
Why are we going to jail?
Take off your purse.
I'm not comfortable. Talaya!
Relax.
No, you're making me uncomfortable.
Relax.
You're making me uncomfortable. Why am I going to jail? I didn't say nothing. I didn't hit nobody. Why am I?
Relax. Got it? All right. Man, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Somebody, I'm a retired Army veteran. Talaya!
Let's go. What's wrong with you?
Because you're making me uncomfortable.
Despite several attempts by the airline crew to persuade him to get off the plane, he refused to do so. Later, police officers forcefully took him out.
Nobody's choking you. Relax. Can you relax?
Can you relax?
I'm telling you, I'm fine.
You're not.
You're not one acting
Look at
crazy.
my arm. Look at my arm.
Because you're acting crazy.
No, I came off the plane by myself. You didn't come and get me off the plane.
Lady, we already told you you were under arrest.
No, you did not. They
Yes,
told
we
me I
did.
had to get off the plane.
Right now, we did.
Excuse me. They told me I had to board. They didn't tell me I had to. Can I please? Can you let go of me like this? Excuse me, sir.
Calm down.
I am a sergeant.
Calm down.
Retired
You're not
from the
acting.
Army.
You're not acting like someone who's been in
You're not
service.
either. You're not either.
You're under
if you were
arrest
acting
now.
like it, can
Calm
you,
down.
Excuse me.
I don't want to talk to you. Calm down. Calm down. What's wrong with you? All right.
I'm choking! I'm choking! Let go of
Just get the bag though, like you see I'm not drunk.
Do
I'm completely sober. What's wrong? He just told me she's kicked off. I don't know why I'm being arrested. I'm sober.
Yes, you are.
Brian, I tried to calm her down. Okay, so
I see
I calmed her
stars.
down. I'm not screaming.
I'm not screaming.
I'm sober.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you hold me? A man can hold me, but not a man. Look at how. No, I will. I am not hype. Look, I'm not hype. Look at how he's holding me. He's trying to still detain me. Ma'am, I've been an officer my whole life. You bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll give you fucking killed. Your pussy. I have no name.
Relax. Look, okay, look.
Figure it out.
Listen,
Ma'am,
you don't want to talk to them, don't worry about it. Talk to me, okay?
ma'am, can I speak to you? Can you come over here? Can we move around? You guys can both hold me, but move me away because I'm going to smack the shit and I will break out of this as quick as you ever think. I live too much.
Listen, you're gonna get more charges for no reason.
You don't understand. We got no charges.
You're gonna get more charges.
Everybody on the plane has no issue with us. Can you listen to me?
Listen, you ain't talking yet.
Can I be let go of? I'm very uncomfortable. Can you let go of? Can I be in the space to walk so that you guys can come like this? I can look at you. I'm not trying to run. How can I fight with my hands like this? I feel intact. It's intact. Look, that was perfectly fine. Can I speak? Nobody has said anything to anybody. So why am I detained?
Because what happened was they told you guys to get off the plane. You guys
When?
refused to get off the plane. I was not in there, but that's what they're saying.
No, we did not refuse. Even the airport people, the people that were sitting next to us said, why are they trying to kick you off? You can go on and ask everyone.
Yeah, but you have to understand, whenever the airlines told you to get off,
I'm retired Army. I understand. I get every baggage free. I get loaded for free. Why would I act any way? Please tell me. And that's who's trying because I was scared off. How would you act? It doesn't justify anything, but it's justify you acting like this. When I fight for your freedom, you don't fight for my freedom like I fight for your freedom. I've shot, I've had a guy right in front of me. Let's be real. I've seen die anymore. That's not fair.
Okay, just relax and let them figure it out. Just relax.
Mommy, so figure it out for them to do this. I've never been arrested. You can look at my record. I've never been arrested like this. You want to take a picture for my photos? No, take a picture. I need a picture.
Now you're not being reasonable with me.
I am being reasonable. I need a picture of my Instagram so they know why I'm not home at my party tonight. That I have to be at. That I got paid $3,000 for it. Thank you. Nobody on the plane said nothing. If anything, I should be arrested, not her, because she didn't do nothing. We're not talking to them. I don't feel comfortable talking to those two. I feel comfortable talking to y'all.
He told me to help her
Okay,
out.
until we further investigate what's going on.
He is a weirdo.
For some reason, they wanted you off the plane and you didn't want to get off.
I didn't refuse to
I never
get
got.
Why did they call us?
I never got.
When they told me to get off the plane, they told you guys were already here.
No, I do.
You can ask them yourself. I never refuse to get. Why would I refuse to get off if I can get on another flight? What sense does that make? You guys are detaining us to keep us from acting violent, but you don't understand this makes us more acting more violent. I'm an Army veteran. I understand how to control my anger. That's why before when I got on here, when the guy was being smart about veterans, he was like, "Oh, you can't board." I said, "Yes, I can. With Frontier, you can." Now, are you listening to me or no?
I am, but I'm trying to make sure she's okay. I'm trying to make sure you're both good.
We're not going to be going. If we're not together, we're not both good. My hands are uncomfortable, and I will definitely sue you guys. Not you, but I will definitely sue you. Miami-Dade police
There's
report.
no flights. It's spring break. There's no flights to get home.
My bags are still on the plane. Two Louis bags. Yes, two. I don't know.
Well, your boarding pass, I can't
Good
see my
luck. I'm not letting you touch my shit. I didn't even yell. I didn't even hit nobody.
Wait, I'm gonna. Hey, you said you was a.
I don't care. Just get me out of here. I don't want my clothes. I don't want that shit. I want to go home. I don't want that. I want to go home. I've been trying to go home for 2 days. My best friend died in front of my hotel. What the f is wrong with y'all? Y'all are sick. You're sick. I thought you would be different. You're sick. You're sick. My best friend got shot, cold blooded in front of the hotel. I've been trying to go home since then. No, you're not. If you were sorry, I wouldn't be in this. I didn't yell at nobody.
Just because I'm sorry doesn't mean
I
your behavior
understand.
is okay.
I didn't behave no way except here.
Oh, okay. Your bag's right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies if I wasn't a good person? I hate all y'all. No, get off me.
We're gonna come on. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Come on.
You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. Yeah, I got it, Benny. Got it?
Yeah.
On stairs, don't knock up.
Get one foot, and I'm gonna get the other.
You got leg restraints?
I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints.
Got it. Trying to grab you. Yeah, she's trying to grab you. Pick up myself.
You bitch.
Have my phone. Stairs.
Where her feet? Right here.
Child, she's trying to kick.
That's fine. That's fine.
Charlie 2055 requesting a ball reference to 36.
That's not going to stop me. I'm just going to sue you. Because I feel very mishandled. I've been raped by military police officers. So go ahead.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
Leave it some slack, Maddie, so we grab it under the hinge.
Yeah, you got slack here.
Oh yeah, but she still has
All
her
this
first.
for a military veteran. I remember all your faces.
You're perfect. I think my cuffs are on her. My cuffs are on her.
Wait.
Just take off the cut it.
You're a cop. You die. You guys are such not even real cops.
Wants to grab the other side? Or just grab the other side.
Hi, the first cop.
You do.
My hair! Ow!
Get it. If you open this door, it'll make your life easier.
I get the flight number, destination, Philadelphia, right?
Yes. Flight number is 2326.
You said she's an Army veteran, right?
No, yeah, no. She was saying that to me the whole
23,
time.
26?
Yeah. She was telling me that.
She threatened her. I didn't know about this threat, but she
That's why I remember I looked at you and I did this. I said, come watch the front. As soon as they
I
walked,
didn't notice. I'm
she
sorry.
said she was going to kidnap me.
All right, ladies.
But in like a sexual way, though. Yeah,
We
she
already
was.
got your information.
He got only mine.
Okay, that's
Really?
fine.
Okay, well, I don't know what happened in the back, so if you
No,
guys
that's
need
fine.
that.
Just your part of the crew. Whatever.
Just like she did to you.
It'll be an incident
Yeah, that
report.
was, yeah, for
Gotta
sure.
blame you.
Don't blame me? Alright, cool. I'll blame you.
I am a woman.
I understand we don't have a tampon.
I am bleeding from my vagina. Well, then you have to figure something out.
how
There's
did
no
they
point
put
in
that
letting
in?
me out without a tampon. How am I
It's
going
on
to
this
pee?
door. Open that.
How am I going to pee without a tampon?
Do you have one?
In my luggage that's not here. It's my carry-on.
Carry on somewhere here.
No, like my luggage that's checked. Not the luggage I have right here. You guys are so ghetto. I can't wait to see you.
Let's go.
No, I need a tampon. I don't
Do not have a tampon, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. I don't feel comfortable getting out without a tampon because then
You
you
don't
guys...
want to pee your...
Excuse me, sir. Because if I get out without a tampon and they ask you for a tampon, then you're going to say I'm antagonizing you, and then I'm going to get arrested again. So what's the point of asking for cops' help? No, because when I asked for cops' help the first time, you guys
Do you want
arrested
to get
me.
out and pee or not?
I do, but I would rather pee right here and you guys clean it up at this point.
We're not going to clean it up. Listen,
It's not my problem. You guys will have
You want to
to
pee on yourself?
It's not myself. I'm going to pee and I'm going to scoot over. That's
So
on
you don't want to go use the bathroom?
I asked you with a tampon, but you're
We
not
don't have a
giving me
tampon. We
You
do not
should
have
find
one.
one. I'm a woman.
I cannot find one. I don't
You
have
didn't
one.
look. You did not look.
Where am I going to get one?
Can you go to the front desk for the concierge?
Well, there's no concierge here. It's not a hotel.
Well, then you better figure it out. You brought me here. I have there's no way you don't have tampons.
There's no way you have tampons.
Sir, I do.
Okay.
They're
You have it in
my
your bag and we
luggage.
can get it from your
When-
bag now.
Excuse me, sir, when I board from here, they give me that. When I go to the bathroom, excuse me, can I raise my hand and talk, or are you going to talk over me?
The carry-ons are right here.
Can I talk now?
You've already talked enough.
When you board the airplane, they give... Here, I can help you. When you board the airplane, they give you... You're leaving her.
Huh?
Leaving her first.
She doesn't want to get out. She said she said she's not getting out without a tampon. I don't know.
The video is presented in a very simple way. Like and share the video if you like it.